So we have a very customized market strategy approach to listing any property that we decide to take on. First, we do some of the basics. We make sure you have an amazing written description of your property. We do professional photography, video, 3D tours, and all of that. But we have an amazing online presence, not only with our website, where we create you a special page just for your home, but also within social media, Facebook, Instagram, I don't know, all that stuff. And also, we go a step further and we do a lot of mailings. We really search out for buyers. We don't just hope and pray that the internet does it all. We have a large database of agents that we love to work with. So we make sure that your property gets seen by as many people as possible, but also we want qualified buyers. If you can have 40 people come through your house, if none are qualified, it doesn't matter. We want the ones that are truly qualified. So our market strategy is not only to market your property, but also to market to buyers to get them qualified for your home. If you want more information on how we market and how we would handle your home as one of our top listings, fill out the form below and we will be in touch within 24 to 48 hours.